Today's topic is about choosing a hoster for your WordPress website. And first of all, I'm not perfectly informed about the hosters which are currently competing with each other and their services. I used a hoster a few years ago and I was satisfied with it, so that's why I recommend it, but I don't get any money for the recommendation, and there might be better options, but I just don't know. So, because I saw that still people are using this hoster and I was always satisfied, I will simply use this one. It's a German hoster, which has at the moment a few offers, which will provide you with 3 months of cost-free using their services. So, first of all, there are 2 different kind of packages you can order. The first one is a very basic one for €5 a month and includes 3 domains and a few other things. What is important is that the SSL certifications are only included in this package, which costs around €8 a month. Why is that important? Well, if you have a website, then you want to have an HTTPS website, which you can see here. If you don't have this SSL certificate and only purchase the cheapest package, then it will look like this, and then here will be a sign which will show not safe. When you purchase this package for €8 a month, I can quickly show you how you can enable HTTPS with a free certificate for your website, and this will provide a much more professional representation of the website and a safer one as well. I will show you the process of this hoster because I only applied for a membership with this hoster. So after I made a contract and a subscription to one of the services, I can log in with the credentials I was provided with via email. Then I simply log in on the website. The username will be provided in an email, and the password is something you set up during the process of making a subscription. So then you log in and then you click on this field. I don't know what's called in English, technical something. And then here you click on CAS login. This is something where you do everything technical. When we successfully made it into the CAS login, then we can simply click here on software installation. Then we have to select the software, which is in our case WordPress. On the bottom of the screen we simply have to click forward. Then we have to select a domain and can click forward again. Here we can simply click forward again, and then we have to define the first login for our web page. This means here we have something like a username, like my username. Then we have a password, which we directly can choose. We have to repeat it and then select the mail where we will receive updates for the website. Then we have to agree with the terms and can click so the website can be created. What is important here is that the password and the login are the credentials you will need when you first log into your web page. So it should look something like this. So obviously you have to put in your own password and an email. If it would be an email from Google, it would be Gmail, might differ depending on the email service you use. Then you click forward again, and on this page then you will see your username and your password for your first account for WordPress on your website. And what is important is that you can usually log in with the path of your website /wp admin. Congratulations, that's it for today. Now you know how you can install WordPress on your webpage. It might take a few minutes till your website is online and you can log in for the first time.